Alrighty, YouTubers, here we go again. We have another special Amazon unboxing video to do. You guys can check them out. My affiliate link will be down below, where you can get one of these at a low cost. Take advantage of the fast and free shipping. You'll get this in no time. Hopefully you guys had a good day so far. Everybody is safe. This is coming from Fifth Wheel. This is the Fifth Wheel electric scooter M2 for adults. Definitely click the link and read the description and see for yourself if you want to make a purchase. Add it to your cart, check out, and they'll ship it to you. We got about 4 months until Christmas, guys, so you might want to think about this, adding it onto your list, or getting it now before they're gone. So we're about to see what's inside and how it looks. We'll give it a little test run. Oh man, here we go. All the way down. Oh, shoot. So far, it's like shade like that. Now that part is done. We got this part over here. Oh, look at that. We got a tire. We got an adapter right there. Some goodies in there. All the way down. This is going to be a fun. Alrighty, guys. Here it is. The Fifth Wheel electric scooter M2. Easy to set up, guys. If I could do it, you guys could do it. All you gotta do is make sure you wear your helmet, your knee pads, elbow pads, and any other protection that you need. Because you never know. It's always better to be safe than sorry. Trust me on that one. So we got here up front. These are the 2 screws that come in the bag. You just have to unscrew, pop them in once you get this situated. Look at this, watch. You get a little bell. That's pretty cool. But right here, if you want to unfold, I don't know if you guys can see it. All you gotta do is lift up and then pull it that way. Like lift. It's kind of hard to do. Kind of like that. It's got to pull it up and then pop it out. Comes with a kickstand. Whoa. Right there. Nice tires. Here's a board. Look at those tires. And like I said, you get that. Screws. Like I said, easy to install. That's where you charge it. Just make sure when you ride, close the seal. Like this. Make sure you close it. Right there. There you go. Fifth wheel, guys. And now, fun part. Power button. LCD display. There you go. Oh boy. See, it shows the numbers. I'm not going to write it now. It's too dark. And I don't want to get hurt. So you got your brakes. And that. Good grips on the handles. Yeah, definitely a nice one. So all you gotta do, guys, is check them out. Click the link down below. Be safe.